The big question that is often asked is, given a certain number of developers, how many testers should you have? Numbers for this tester-to-developer ratio vary considerably and are specific to a particular organization and the type of software being developed. Nonetheless, there are some general trends that are apparent. Web development and other everyday software often has a ratio of 1 tester to 5 or 10 developers. Microsoft and a number of other companies say that they have 1 tester for every developer. Aerospace companies have said that they might have 4 or 5 testers for every developer, so that's basically an inverted ratio compared to the everyday desktop software developers. Based on extensive interactions with embedded system companies that make highly reliable software, we have found that it is common to have a tester-to-developer ratio of about 1 tester for every 1 developer. The effort tends to divide up in the following way. About 1/4 of the labor hours charged to a project are spent by developers doing requirements, architecture, design, and implementation. Another 1/4 of the labor hours gets spent by developers doing peer reviews, unit tests, tool development, and bug fixes. About 45% of the effort is spent by testers doing various types of testing, creating testing infrastructure, and generating bug reports. The last 5% is spent on software process, including creation, improvement, training, and auditing, often known as either SQA for Software Quality Assurance or PPQA, standing for Process and Product Quality Assurance. From a headcount point of view, let's consider a 20-person project. In this example, the headcount breakdown works out to be 10 developers, 9 testers, and 1 SQA PPQA support person. That's about half developer staffing and half validation staffing, depending on how you like to count things. From an effort point of view, you can see that only about 25% of the total effort is actually spent doing the primary development, and even that is spread across requirements, architecture, design, and writing the code. In healthy software projects, it is common to see only a handful of the percent of the total effort be writing the lines of code, and the rest of the effort spent making sure that the right code is being written and the code is being written right.